Yo, it's mad loud over here.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Oh. All right. I'm trying to show y'all what I'm seeing right now. Oh, my lens fogging up.
Oh
Yeah. We out here. Yeah. Yo. It was just mad loud, son. It felt like it was a tornado for a minute. Oh, this is fun. I might stay out here forever. Yo, my face is so like my face. Yeah, it's nothing out here. Let them know, yo.
It's still wheat sauce though.
Alright. Might come out here later when the winds pick up. Bring my umbrella out here and watch it flip.
Yeah, here at 7:35.
Break. Smack against trees.
Word.
Little bits of tree branches. Yeah. Side. Yo, look at that big one right there. Kind of big. Y'all can see that. Oh, here go the wind. My hand is freezing holding this phone. Throw that camera. Throw that camera. Show you what it is. Chilling out here. Got big old logs. Freaking ground. Oh, what's that noise? Stepping in puddles. Just chilling. Yeah, Sandy ain't really doing nothing right now. She ain't got nothing on us.
Word.
We land critters. Not wet person.
Tum-tummer. Chim chewer.
Yeah. SpongeBob, all of them. The crabs, they can all go eat beef.
You gonna do that be like my leg?
Yo, look at them over there with a Crippin' Blood umbrella. Put the camera on them. They stupid. Anyway, this is light. Where the wind's at right now, like 30,
I give it
40
5
miles
seconds.
per hour. I want them 80s. I want something that's going to toss me somewhere.
Word.
I'm doing it. This ain't nothing. When it get real hectic out here, I might make another video.
Word.
Well, until then, y'all gonna have to settle with this. What time it is around, whatever time it is.
It's like 3 something.
Well, give it another few hours. Really want to see. Got this.
The aftermath.
Oh, you hear that wind? Let me see
All
that.
right.
Slide work. Slide work. Oh, I almost fell.
Slide work.
Oh, I almost fell again. Mad slippery out here. Alright, this is video 1. You already know.
I could have went to school.
University Heights.
Wait, hold up.
Yo, we don't go to school no more, bro.
Word.
Word. Alright, man, I'm off this.